Hello everyone, welcome to part 88 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So we'll continue working on the e-commerce product listing, and in this video we are going to convert the listing page HTML to the listing page of our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so in this video we are going to show the category products as well. So let's continue. In the last video uh, we able to get the category details. You can see once again these are the category details. Like if the user opens the men category, then we will also show these subcategories products as well. Like from the t-shirts, shirts and jackets, we are going to show all the products belongs to these categories. Okay, also the men, if the user adds in men category, then also those products also we are going to show. So now we are going to get the get category products as well. Get category products, not only category products, get category and their subcategory, get category and their subcategory products. Okay, like this, because here we are going to get the products from these four categories. 4 is the main category and 8, 10, 11 is the subcategory of that main category. Okay, so we will get the products from these four category as well as the subcategories. So here we will also write a get products, get category and their subcategory products. It's fine. Okay, so now here I will take one more variable, category products, and here I'm going to use the same query like we have used in the index controller. You can see the query that we have used every time, like here for the bestseller, for the new Laravel products. Okay, I'm going to use that same query because we have already added the relation into these queries, like the brand and images relation that we require in our while displaying the products. We require these two things because we require the brand of the product as well, and as well as we require the image of the product as well. I'm going to show its listing page. Here you can see we require the brand of the product, we require the product name as well, its price as well. So we need to fetch from the brand as well as the products table as well as the image of the product as well. So see the products table, from the products table we are clearly getting the information from the products table, but we need to include that relation of the images as well as the brand. Okay, so these two relation we require brand as well as the images that we have done in the last few videos. So I'm going to pick up this one. Okay, so that it will save our time. I'm going to attach it here, and now I'm going to add one condition here. I'm going to compare the category ID. I'm going to compare, like I'm going to open here the products table, and here you can see we have the category ID in every products table. See here we have having the category underscore ID, so that this ID we are going to compare with the cat IDs that we are getting here. Okay, these one. Okay, so one condition that we are going to add here, we are going to use here the where in condition, where in this belongs, this one of the product must equal to this category ID, and our array, I'm going to pick our array now. Like array is located in category details. Here cat ID is array. Okay, here I'm going to pick this one and we'll add it here with cat IDs, like this, cat IDs. Okay, like this. Okay, category ID, category details, cat IDs, like this we can able to do. Okay, so now see rest everything will remain the same. And here we will not add any kind of limit we are going to remove. And yes, order by ID we can use, we can show the products in descending order. Okay, that's not an issue. And now we are going to check it once. Here I'm going to use dd once again, and we'll see that whether the category products are coming correctly or not. I'm going to disable this one. Okay, so I'm going to check it now. So we need to add here the product model as well. Let's add the product model. Now we are going to check once again, and here you can see all the products are coming now. So many products are coming along with their brand as well as the images. Okay, see complete information of the brands as well as the images is now coming. Okay, so it's fine. Now we are able to get the complete details. Now I will copy and will paste it one more, because we require to now convert that listing page we require. Okay, so see, first of all, we will also return this data to the listing page that we are going to create now. I'm going to comment this one and return this category details as well as the category products data, return view, and one listing page that we are going to create inside front products folder. We are going to create inside front, and in that we are going to create the listing blade file, listing.blade.php file, and in that we are going to return these two arrays. One is the category details, that will tell the category details exactly like the name, URL, okay, like this, and the another one is the category products, okay, and that will tell the products of that category that belongs to that particular category and its subcategories. Okay, so now uh, so yeah, so after this we are going to create the listing blade file, and I will go to my folder, project folder, resources, views, front, and inside front we are going to create one folder, and I'm going to create folder like products folder. I'm going to create inside products folder, I'm going to create one file in Mac, and you know that how to create the file. Okay, if you are in window, you can simply go inside the folder and you can create the new notepad file and then can rename as well. Okay, so here we are going to add its name like listing.blade.php. I'm going to create inside save, I can use txt and then we'll rename it as well here, blade.php. Okay, use php like this. Okay, listing.blade.php. So the same file we're going to open it here, listing.blade.php. Okay, I'm going to pick that index.blade.php. See, its top part and bottom part will remain the same. Okay, see here, end section, this one we have simply added its layout, front layout. Okay, and inside this, that app content in the same way like we are having in at the home page, we will get from the listing page. So we have already opened that listing HTML. I will just bring it here, and here I'm going to use that. I'm going to check out like header. This is the header, this is the app content, this is the footer. So we want this app content. Okay, so I'm going to copy this app content here from here, and I'm going to paste it here. Simply I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so in the index.blade.php file, we have done that thing same. See, app content, here also app content. Okay, so this is same thing that we have done now, and here make sure that we can correctly its layout, correct its layout. Okay, like this. Okay, so now our listing page, we have able to add our listing page. Now we can open it once and check that whether it opens. Like I can simply refresh this one and see the listing page is now opening. Man listing page without any products, because we have not added, we have not shown any products so far, but we able to upload that, able to open that listing page with the header and footer that is common. Okay, here you can see the header and footer is same, and that is fine. Even the left sidebar is looking fine, because there are no images involved, but here images are not coming, but we don't require the images. We will show these products dynamically now. Okay, so first I will create the filters blade file and will put this one in filters. Okay, so I'm going to create the another blade file. Now inside that products, I'm going to create the another file. Now new test file I'm going to create here, and that is the filters blade file, filters dot blade dot txt. I'm going to create txt and then we'll rename it to php. Okay, txt, I'm going to rename it to php. Okay, so another file is now created. I'm going to open this file here, filters.blade.php, and now once again, uh, here I'm going to see these filters. I'm going to bring this out. Okay, here you can see this one, these filters I'm going to cut from here and we'll paste it here. Then we'll correct its layout as well once again like this. Okay, so I'm going to include here, include front products filters. Check once if the page is still coming correctly. Yes, it's fine. So now the one more file we are going to create here, and that is we are going to create for showing the products in Ajax via Ajax. Uh, see this portion, this particular portion where products are coming will refresh instantly, will refresh via Ajax. Okay, every time if we will use filters, every time if we will use the paging filters or some other thing, this part we are going to refresh without refreshing the whole page. Just this part will refresh via Ajax. Okay, so this part we are going to put in separate page, and its name we are going to assign Ajax products listing. So one more file we are going to create here. Okay, and I'm going to create here new file now. One more file, Ajax underscore products underscore listing.txt file I'm going to create, and then we are going to rename it to blade file .blade.php. Okay, .blade.php like this. Okay, so we will use the php. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to open this file now, Ajax products listing and loop content. We are going to now copy the loop only. Okay, and not anything else, just the loop. Here is the loop, here it is, uh, this one. Okay, so here you can see so many products we have shown, but we require just one. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm going to remove rest of the divs that we are not required. See here so many divs, so I'm going to remove it all, just we require one, and I'm going to cut from here, we'll paste it here like this. Here we will correct its layout as well. So once again we are going to include front products Ajax products listing. We are going to include its file. Later on we are going to load this file via Ajax. Okay, we will later on use one id as well, by which we are going to load this one. We will put this id here, but not now, later on we are going to do when we will work on filters. Okay, include front products Ajax product listing. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Okay, so now we are going to make this dynamic. We are going to loop through its content dynamic. Okay, so we are already sending that, you can see this these category products. So we are going to create its loop here, for each loop. We're going to add for each loop here, as dollar product. Here also dollar is required, and here and for each. So now middle content. So for middle content we are going to use this one, image. Okay, image as well as the brand name, product name. Okay, so see, we have already done this thing. If you remember, index.blade.php file, we have already used that same kind of thing. Here you can see we because we have attached the images as well as the brand relation in the same way, so the same will work here as well. I'm going to copy this link portion, this link I can copy from here and can paste it there. Okay, and it will work it here as well. Okay, so here you can see this one. So I'm going to replace this link with this link. Okay, that will work fine as well. And also this one will be same, and brand name the same way, like we're getting the brand name. here also we are going to use the brand name. We're going to replace it like this, and the product name as well. Okay, so we're going to replace the product name as well. Yeah, sure, price as well. Okay, see, I'm going to copy this one, and here I'm going to replace this one as well. Okay, and here see that span is not required, and now we can use it like this div, and here we are going to make this, we can bring it here, there, like this. Okay, now it seems to be fine. And also this one for the description in another layout, so $product, this one we need to write description. Okay, for rest of the things we are not required to make any kind of efforts, as we are already using here in our home page. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it, and we'll see whether the products dynamically comes here or not. Yes, products are dynamically coming here. All the products that belongs to the main category are coming here dynamically. Okay, so we are going to view like these products, like the some of the products are having images, so images are coming here. Along with that, the brand name is also coming, Gap. Okay, here the products belong to Gap. Now the arrow products belong to Arrow, and product name is correct, red Gap t-shirt, Gap blue t-shirt, Gap t-shirt. Along with the prices, like 600 price is the MRP, and the discounted price is 510. 500 price is MRP, and discounted price is 450. So everything, see, rating we have not done so far, so whenever we will do rating we are going to show it, but everything else is coming fine here. Okay, so I'm going to see the list view is also coming fine. Here you can see that we able to see the list view, but the descriptions are not here. Like if we will add some description, like red t-shirt description, I want to add its description, a red Gap t-shirt. I'm going to search for this one in the products, red Gap t-shirt, and I can search it here as well. So I'm going to add some description of this product from here. Anything you can add. Okay, so just I want to save this content, submit. So I'm going to see here, refresh here, list view, see the content is coming here. You can see we able to show the product description as well after this one. Okay, so complete information is coming in list view as well. Okay, by default we will use the grid view. Okay, so now we are going to see the men t-shirts. All these products belongs to the same category. I'm going to check in products, and here you can see maximum products belongs to these. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on t-shirts now. Okay, t-shirts will have these t-shirts, fine. I'm going to click on shirts, and see there is no shirt at all. We'll click on jackets, and there is no jacket at all. Okay, so see, we can update the category, like if in case, just for testing purpose, what I can do, I can see change this blue t-shirt and will put it under some other category, just for the testing purpose. For the sake of testing, I'm going to put it in shirts. Okay, so I will also make it like okay, that's enough. So I have put one of the t-shirt in shirts, just to see that it will come in shirt. Like if you open the shirt, then one shirt must come here. You can see the one shirt is coming, because only one we have moved to from the t-shirt to the shirt, so it's coming fine, so it's working fine. Okay, so once again I will put it back to the t-shirt category that we are going to work on most of the time. So click on submit, so it's working fine here. I'm going to open the t-shirts category once again, in which we are showing all the products. Okay, So in the next video we are going to work on other things, like we are going to show here the result, correct result, here the here that category name as well. Right now see t-shirt, it's not actually, it is just static. Okay, t-shirt, like I have opened the men, again t-shirt is coming. Okay, so other than this we are going to work on paging as well. Okay, and then we will start working on these filters as well. Okay, and breadcrumbs as well. Okay, so many things we are going to work on the next few videos, so please stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.